Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a smooth fade-in text effect. After that, we'll dive into a cinematic handwriting animation in After Effects. Let's get started. First, select the text tool from the top panel and type whatever you want. Then, go to the Align panel to center your text, and make sure to select the center option in the Paragraph panel as well. Go to the Effects and Presets panel, search for Fade Up Words, and simply drag it onto your text. Now, adjust the duration of your text to match the timing of the audio. A short moment after the speech ends, split the remaining part by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus D, then simply press Delete to remove it. Then, click on your text and press the U key. Now, go to the Animate section of your text and adjust the tracking amount just like I'm doing here. Select the tracking amount keyframes, press F9 for easy ease, and then open the graph editor. And adjust the graph exactly as I do. And as you can see, the first step is complete. Now, go to the Effects panel and add gradient ramp to your text. You can use my settings, but since it might change depending on your video's aspect ratio, feel free to experiment and find what looks best for you. Adjust the color however you like. Then, pre-compose your text layer. Now, go to the Effects panel and add Deep Glow to your text. You can use my settings if you'd like, or feel free to adjust it to suit your own style. Next, add Drop Shadow from the Effects panel. Feel free to experiment and find your own settings, or you can simply use mine. Now, add Gaussian blur from the Effects panel and adjust the settings, just like I do. Press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Now, press the T key to open opacity, set it to 100 at the beginning, and then change it to 0 just like I'm doing here. Press F9 to apply Easy Ease. You can adjust the duration of the fade however you like. And as you can see, we've finished the first text now. Now, let's create the handwriting text. Add a new text layer from the top panel, type whatever you like, and make sure to choose a handwriting font. Adjust the size as you like from the character panel, and then center it using the Align panel. Then, mask each letter one by one. Then, add the stroke effect from the Effects panel and follow the steps I'm taking. Select the N keyframes and press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Sync the text with the audio, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus D to split the layer and delete the remaining parts. Next, add the texture plasma effect to your text from the effects panel. You can use my settings if you'd like, or feel free to customize them. Now, add bevel alpha from the effects panel. Again, you can use the settings I'm using, or feel free to adjust them yourself. Now, add S scan lines from the effects panel. You can experiment and find your own settings, or simply use mine. Pre-compose the text layer. Now, you can replicate the deep glow, drop shadow, Gaussian blur, and opacity settings from the previous text. You can change the color of the deep glow by opening the Tint tab and setting it to monocolor. And that's all for the entire process. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.